Here with field hockey coach Corey Ward. Another 2-0 win here at the Brigham Complex over Nichols in the CCC opener. What's the biggest takeaway so far from the season through 4 games? You've had a loss and a win, then a loss and a win.
Yep.
And it's just you're trying to get going heading into the conference season.
Yeah, we're trying to grow and get better. So today was all about us getting better on the field, growing with our new young players, and getting better as we head into the conference season. It's good to get the first conference win today. It's always good. So
You guys kept the pressure pretty much in their zone for probably 50, 55 out of the 70 minutes in the game.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of putting those goals together.
Right.
You keep having those great opportunities. And to their benefit, Nichols keeper Catherine Cotton had a very good game and goal today. How do you kind of break through and just kind of get a couple goals and some momentum put together on offense?
just trying to teach our forward line to want the ball, to get in there and want to go get it and want to get a goal. They're still young and still learning the college game and learning how to be aggressive and go after the ball. So today they got a couple goals doing that, but they got to do more of it. They got to get to the ball and get good shots off. So they're a little timid today.
Looking ahead to Saturday, you guys are back on the road
Yep.
at Salve Regina, so you're back-to-back conference matches. Don't know a whole bunch about them from last season, but you guys did have success against them last year. What's the biggest thing going into your game on Saturday?
They're good. They're a senior-laden team. They have extremely fast forwards. They play a really quick attacking game, counter-attacking, and we got to make sure we're solid on defense to be able to slow them down and get the ball back. But they're a team to beat this year. So.
All right, Corey, thanks. We'll see you again soon.
All right.